Hyundai RN22e, a window into the electric sports car of the future. Hyundai RN22e, 585 horsepower, same battery as Ioniq 6. The Hyundai RN22e is an electric concept car that envisions what a high-performance sports car could look like in the age of electric vehicles. It advertises a maximum power of 585 horsepower, but doesn't say how long its range will be. The RN22e shares the same aesthetics as the modern Ioniq 6 competition, although for now it remains a simple prototype. The brand claims it offers circuit performance, but doesn't rule out it being designed as a road-legal car. Hyundai RN22e, the exterior. The Hyundai RN22e is 4.91 meters long, 2.02 meters wide, 1.47 meters high and has a wheelbase of 2.95 meters. Although it shares a silhouette with the Ioniq 6, it's actually more extreme in all its proportions. It's 5 centimeters long, 14 centimeters wide and 3 centimeters low. The proximity to the race is also reflected in the very low ground clearance, which suggests we're dealing with a circuit car. It also includes a fixed rear spoiler. Hyundai RN22e, interior. Interior pictures of the Hyundai RN22e have yet to be released. Hyundai has said it has an internal and external speaker system that maximizes noise from the electrical system and makes driving more exciting. Hyundai RN22e, mechanical. The modern RN22e comes in a single mechanical configuration. It has 2 electric motors, one on each axle, for a combined output of 585 horsepower and a maximum torque of 740 Nm. Hyundai RN22e has a battery capacity of 77.4 kWh, the same as the production Hyundai Ioniq 6. It has a top speed of over 250 km per hour, but no details on its acceleration have been released. The new car has an 800-volt system, which will make it compatible with super-fast chargers, which are expected to go up to 350 kilowatts like the Ioniq 6. Hyundai did not disclose the range of the RN22e. Its battery has a range of 6,610 kilometers in the Ioniq, although that number is inevitably lower with the combustion engine. Hyundai has confirmed there will be a limited slip differential, as well as variable torque distribution based on driving mode and current demand. It has a 400 mm diameter disc and 4 pistons. Hyundai RN22e, price. The Hyundai RN22e is a concept car and isn't expected to hit the market.